My name is Louie Uranga. I'm from San Antonio. I've been here all my life, basically. I've been going to the river since I was a kid. We used to ride our bicycles out there during the summertime. Now I go and take my camera. And that particular morning in November, I was riding down there trying to get to the dam. I was kind of pedaling hard and fast. I came around a corner and the sun was just shining just right behind the cormorants, and there was this fog lifting off the water. So it backlit, it gave this orange glow. And that's when I took the shots, about 40 or 50 shots probably, and got that one out of there. The reason I chose that picture to enter into the photo contest was because I wanted to kind of like show how beautiful the river is and all the flora and fauna and the natural beauty of it all along the river. It's really beautiful, and I would like to maybe inspire other people to go down there and enjoy it. It's such a gem.